And it's just an opportunity to truly be used of God. Like if you're at a point in your Christian life where you feel like you really like you yearn to be used, or maybe you feel like you don't really have much to offer, you go on a mission trip and you will see how they will pull on the gifts that God has in you, and you will be able to see your worth and see the things that you can actually offer, the tangible things that you can actually offer to individuals to bring about a life change in many people. And you will see things in you that you didn't know exist before. And there are things that are needed, you know, and your value, you know, you will see how you were created in God's image. It's just, you'll see yourself in a whole different light, and then you will see your ability to actually be able to do something about the situations, and it will like awaken something in you that you'll never be the same, and you'll want to go again and again.